Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you guys live from my home office. And today we are going to be talking about influencers. So if you guys love makeup, or if you just want to know how to get free products, we're going to talk about that next, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so today we're talking all about Influenster and how to get a Voxbox. So Influenster, if you don't know, Influencer is a free application. I will put the link for Influencer below, or if you just kind of want to connect, if you're already on Influencer, we can definitely connect below. Influencer is a free application. Basically what it is it's a community where you can share your thoughts and your reviews, or if you have a question regarding a product, anything. It can be from makeup, food, dog food, it can be from anything. It can be vacations, airlines. You can set a review in that space or ask a question as many times as you like, or if you can find the answer to a question within that application. So I found a video a long time ago when I started making videos on how to get free makeup from Influencer, and I think I signed up for Influencer back in January or February, so I've been using it since then. Basically, the key to Influencer, if you don't know, obviously you can either download the application or you can sign up online. Influencer is totally free. If you haven't, definitely sign up and set your own profile, answer all the questions, answer all the questions in your profile. When you do sign up, even my husband has signed up. When you do first sign up, you will have to have and answer every snap that's on your profile. And basically what a snap is it's for Influencer to get to know you as a consumer, so that they can see if any of these Voxboxes would be a match for you. What I've done, and if you can do this also, a tip that I would do, let's say if you've been on Influencer for a while and you have yet to receive a Voxbox, this is my very first Voxbox, but I'll definitely share with you guys what I've done. I have different subscriptions to different products. And you guys, if you like subscriptions, you guys can definitely like and subscribe, because that's mainly what we do, and we do different haul videos and things like that. So I come across a lot of products. But let's say if you don't have subscription boxes, so you don't have a way to answer or do a review on every product that you have, you can go around your home and review the products that you already have in your home. So when you do grocery shopping, that was one tip. Influencer lets you they have a scan within their application where you can scan products in your home. So that's really what I did when we first got signed up. Even my husband did the same thing. He scanned everything that was in his bathroom so that he can kind of let Influencer know what products what were things that he preferred. I did scan the products even when we get dog food. I tend to forget sometimes when we go grocery shopping, but I definitely should review those products. You can definitely scan those products if you remember. It's an app, so once you hit scan, it just takes a photo of the UPC code on the back of the product, and it finds it for you if it's on Influencer. So I definitely scan products, and if you're part of subscription boxes, definitely make a review of each product. What I started doing is every month, as I started finishing, like I get, and you probably found these on you probably saw these on my channel, but I get Ipsy, I get Sephora, I've unboxed them on my channel. Once I've used those products and I have a better understanding if they work for me or not, I go on Influencer. See, these products are fairly small. Once those products are done, I will put my review on Influencer, just giving them an idea of what I thought about those products. And then guess what? Influencer sees the products that you have tried or the kind of products that you've liked. So recently, I'm trying to think of any other tips. Definitely share, ask questions, be in the community. I think the key to Influencer is making reviews and answering snaps. That's what would be the key. And if you've watched other videos, that's probably the thing that everyone's going to tell you to do also. But I would definitely, if you are a subscriber to any subscription, definitely write a review. That's easy. You're paying for these subscription boxes. Why not use those for reviews for Influencers? So if you're a subscription box lover, use those subscriptions so that you can have more reviews. Because think about it, in Sephora Plague this month for June, I received 6 products. That's 6 reviews that I can give Influencer on 6 different products. That's just 6 right here. And then of course we know with Ipsy you get like 5 to 6 there. So just with, and I have more subscriptions than these 2, but just with these 2 alone, that's 11 reviews that I can give Ipsy on a monthly basis. I give reviews on more than that, but those are 11 products right there that you guys can give subscription, or sorry, reviews on. So that's easy. So if they see that you're an active reviewer of products and helping the community out with those reviews, and they're not looking for perfect reviews. If you really don't like a product, let them know that I really don't like a product. I think there was one product, I forgot the name of it, but I can't even think. I think I got it in an Allure beauty box, and it was like a blue product. I initially thought I would like it. The scent was okay. It wasn't great, but it was like an overnight face oil. Initially I loved it. But then after using it every night, I hated it. So I went back and changed that review, and I said the scent is just killing me. It probably is a good product, but I cannot do the scent any longer. So I had to give it a bad review. And it was a pretty expensive. I swear, Avena, I think, or Avene, I can't remember. I would have to go back. You have to go back to my very first Allure beauty box to take a look to see what that name of that product was. But I could not stand the scent of that face oil. So you give those products, they're not looking for, they want honest reviews. That's the purpose of the whole Influenster app. So hope that helped you guys. If you guys want to stay tuned, we're going to open up my very first Voxbox, and this is a summer Voxbox. Have no idea what's in this, so we're going to be reviewing. So when Influencer sends you your very first box, for this specific summer box, they want me to review the products within a month and let the brands know what I thought about these products. So since I'm totally into reviewing products, they make it super simple. They keep everything in the same space, and then you can just review right on that page within that campaign, and then you start getting badges and things like that as you continue to review products. So the more badges that you get, the more influencers going to say, hey, she's a productive member of our community, let's let her know, let's give her a box so that she can review some products and let us know as a member what she thought about those products. So this is the very first thing here that we are taking a look at, and again, this is a summer kickoff Voxbox. So they give you a couple things that they want you to do. So you get the app, try the products, and unlock badges, and then take the survey at the end. So you guys can see my homework, and on the back, it tells you different things to do. So you're gonna take a look and give those brands, and you guys probably see what I have. Those are the name of the companies that are in this box. They want me to review. So that's what we'll be doing when we try, we try these products out. And this is what my box looks like right there. And then, so the very first thing I am taking a look at, let's start small and go big. So the very first thing I see here is from Meyer's Clean Day Body Wash. So that's the very first thing I see here. And I've never tried Meyer's before at all. So this is an essential oils moisturizing body wash, so that you guys can take a look at that. And then, okay, so these are like different cleansers from Meyer's. So this is another body wash. This one initially was honeysuckle, so you see that. And then this one is lemon verbena, so different scents. And then this one is rainwater body wash. So there we have 3 different body washes for 3 different, this is one good use. So you can see if you like the scent, let them know what you thought about the product. These are moisturizing body washes, so assuming that you're not dry after, you can give them a good review. So that was one product here. The next item I see here is Press-On Manicure Nails. So this says no glue needed. So that's what that looks like. I'll be honest, I haven't used manicure nails since I was in high school. So this is definitely gonna be a stretch for me because I haven't tried any since high school. So that's kind of what this one looks like here, but I will definitely give them a try to see, because it says no glue needed, and I remember back in the day the glue was always the killer, because if you didn't put that glue right, then the whole nail was falling off. So that's the next thing. So the next thing I have here is from Sesmoy. This is a foaming cleansing gel. So this will be my next cleansing gel to try out. Hold on, come on, light. That looks better. So this is Sesame, you guys can see that. This is a cleansing gel. And this is a 2 fluid ounce bottle. So that's a pretty good size bottle. There we go. That's a pretty good size bottle. This will give me enough to last me for the month, so I can give them a legitimate, honest review. So I would definitely be trying that next. I'm actually out of my cleansing. I had a Drunk Elephant, a cleanser that I received for my birthday. So I probably get one more use out of that one tonight when I wash my face tonight. But other than that, it's totally done. So, and the next item here, this is from Shea Moisture. This is a raw shea butter hydrating body lotion. So you guys can see that there. Maybe when I put it up too close, it's too much light. So this one is a 3.2 fluid ounces. They just want you to try this out for a month, so you're not getting full-size products, but they really want an honest review. So those are not like Sephora and Ipsy. They're not like super small, but they give you like a good size. So that's definitely good. And then the next item here I see is 10 Skin. This is 10 Skin Lotion. This is shaving waxing. This is solution for ingrown hair. Not ingrown nails, obviously. So I'm not too sure what this one does. Let me take a look. It says reduces appearance of razor bumps, ingrown hairs. So I'm assuming this is just solution, so it's liquidy. It doesn't seem like it's gel, but I guess you would put this on your legs or your legs after you shave. And this is a 2.5 fluid ounces. So let's do a recap on my very first Voxbox. So for the summer, and I'm definitely going to be reviewing these. So first thing we got from 10 Skin Solution. This is for a solution for ingrown hair. So we received that. And then we have from Shea Moisture, a hydrating body lotion. We received that there. And then we have a gentle foaming cleansing gel. So we have a gel cleanser, and then we have press-on manicure nails. So we have that, and then we have the 3 Myers body washes. So I would say those are pretty good. That's a pretty good first box. Again, this is my first Voxbox. I definitely plan on sharing with you guys. If I get any more Voxboxes, I will put Influencer's link below. All I can say, the biggest tip is, if you are a subscriber of boxes, definitely do a review of each, even if it's a small product. Definitely do a review of each product, because that lets Influencer know that you are an active member of their community, and that's really what they're looking for. They're looking for active members of the community, because guess what? If you're not active, why would they send you a box of products anyway to review? Because who knows if you're going to do it. So definitely let me know if you guys have ever gotten a Voxbox, or did you get the summer Voxbox? Definitely let me know below. I would love to, chump out if you could. We'll chat out with you guys. If you have the summer Voxbox, let me know. And then let me know if you have received an Influencer Voxbox before, or are you still trying to get that first Voxbox? If you have any questions about getting a first Voxbox from Influencer, let me know. I would definitely try to answer as best as I can on how to get a free Voxbox from Influencer. But with that being said, definitely, if you dig videos like this, definitely let me know, because if I get another Voxbox, I will definitely put it on the channel so you guys can just to share with you guys. So definitely like and subscribe. So we will definitely see you on the next video.